Hello everybody. We got the 11-inch hose grip pliers set from Teton. A viewer sent me these. I could not tell you who. It does not say in the package. All it says is from Amazon. No letter, no nothing. I want to thank you, whoever you were who sent it. We'll open them up. This is not shit, by the way. That's grease. So, the person who asked me why I have shit on my floor, and it's grease on the stand here. But it's all good. It's a 3-piece. I had these on my Amazon wish list, and somebody purchased them. Again, thank you very much. They feel nice in the hand. They feel solid. The hose grabber part has some nice teeth on it. Not sharp. Heads lined up nice on these. Same as these. They're not sharp, but they got some nice teeth on them. So on. The heads are, lined up nice. They're not flimsy. They got some stealth to them. I did pick up a set of the Pittsburgh a couple of months ago. They were less than $10 for the set of 3. We'll compare side by side, and you see the Teton is just a little longer. This one's maybe a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch maybe. About 1/2 inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch. Comparison, the Teton definitely feels better in the hand. The Pittsburgh we use quite a bit. The Pittsburgh is more rounded, I'd say, and definitely the Teton is more oval shape on them. Grab a next pair. Same thing, about 3/4 of an inch longer. Again, Teton feels better, more rounded. The Pittsburgh does have some grip that's in them, which are not sharp. Now this set, I'm going to say the Teton is more rounded, and the Pittsburgh is more mushroom shaped, maybe. And we got this one here for the big ones. A little closer in size, maybe. You see the Teton literally goes right over top. Again, Teton definitely feels better. Which ones are more rounded? The Teton is. Again, the Pittsburgh's more, I don't know, these are almost like a heart shape. But, again, thank you very much. They feel really good in the hand. They feel stealth. The Pittsburgh, they do feel flimsier. Not to the point where they're breaking. Just, you feel like you can squeeze on these a little better. These are definitely a cheaper metal. Made in India. double check the box here. Yep, made in India. I have no clue where the pinch burrs are made. But yeah, I just want to show you what we received today in the mail. They're definitely cool. They're nice to have. I'll put one set in the pit and have the other set up here, just to make my life easier. That way I ain't gotta run up and down. I'll probably put this set up top here because it gets used more often than the ones in the pit. But thank you very much. Have a great day.